This video is for you if you feel like your hair is no longer growing, if you feel like you've done everything and nothing is working, if your hair is dry and brittle, if your hair is breaking constantly, if you're looking for a way to promote hair growth, then watch this video and watch it to the end. In today's video, I am going to share with you a simple DIY remedy that you will use to treat dry hair and kiss dry hair goodbye. One of the reasons why you can't return length is because your hair is dry, and as it's dry, it is breaking off, and that way you are not seeing length. So guys, today's video will not only help you to tackle dryness, but it will also help with moisture retention, so keep on watching. So guys, our first ingredient is carrots. So if you've been sleeping on carrots, I need you to wake up. Carrot is packed with vitamins such as vitamin A, vitamin C and vitamin E. Plus, it has a property called beta-carotene, which helps to strengthen your hair follicles and promote hair growth. Carrot helps to improve the scalp's health because it contains antioxidants, which helps to maintain healthy scalp by reducing dryness and irritation. It is also good at preventing breakage by adding moisture to dry hair, making it less prone to breakage. Plus, it adds natural shine to your hair texture. Okay, it helps to improve the natural shine of your hair. So I went ahead to grate one sizable carrot and transfer it into my jar. Okay, please make sure that you wash your carrot properly. Now the next ingredient is rosemary. If your follicles are dormant, then you need to introduce rosemary. Now rosemary helps to improve blood circulation to your scalp, encouraging hair growth. Okay, rosemary is also a DHT blocker, which means it helps to prevent hair thinning and hair loss. Rosemary helps to fight against dandruff because it contains antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, which helps to prevent dandruff. Rosemary also helps to strengthen your hair shaft, reducing split ends and breakage. And for the proportion, I used 1 tablespoon. Alright guys, so our last ingredient is fenugreek seed. Fenugreek helps to hydrate and condition dry, frizzy hair, leaving it soft and manageable. It helps to prevent hair loss by reducing shedding and breakage. Fenugreek seed is also rich in protein and nicotinic acid, which is an essential nutrient for our hair growth. And for the proportion, I added 1 tablespoon. Now I'm going to pour hot water to it to my desired length, and then I'll cover it and leave it overnight. The next day, here is what it is looking like. Our mixture is getting darker and our fenugreek seed has doubled in size. This is how you know that it is ready. So guys, I am going to strain our juice and then our mixture is ready for application. Now this leftover, please, you can keep it and turn it into a hair mask. You can add 1 or 2 things to it and it becomes a proper hair mask. So I am saving mine in my freezer. Hopefully it will be okay by the time I am ready to use it. If it is, I will come and share how I use mine, but if it is not, then you can definitely do yours. Okay, now this is what the water is looking like. This juice is rich in hydration. And now, time for application. I did not realize that the camera changed the color of our juice until now that I am editing this video. So please, it is still the same juice, just the change in lighting changed the color of the juice. Okay, alright guys, this is what my hair was looking like. My hair was freshly washed, and here I've not applied any single product on my hair, and so I'll be using this product as my leave-in conditioner. Guys, use it as your leave-in treatment to help hydrate and add moisture to your hair, and I promise you will definitely see a change. If you're dealing with dry hair, like I said earlier, please use this as your leave-in treatment. Use it every single day as your leave-in treatment, and please don't leave your hair out like that. try and put your hair in a protective style. It will help you to retain more moisture. Okay, if your hair is dry and is brittle, it will break, and if your hair is breaking, you're not going to see length. Okay, another thing that I need you to do is to follow up with your moisturizing routine immediately you finish applying this treatment on your hair. Okay, because this is water based, which means it can evaporate. Now the best way to keep it from evaporating so quickly is to seal this moisture. In tomorrow's video, I will show you the steps that I follow after I finish applying this juice on my hair. So if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe so that you don't miss out on that video. So what's up my beautiful people, good day, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome. On this channel I share easy DIYs that you can try at the comfort of your home to go out your hair. And if you're finding this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button. Now, how many times we use this product? I've said earlier, use this product every day for best result. And for storage, please store this hairspray in your fridge for up to 5 days. After 5 days, please discard and make a fresh batch. Now, I would advise that you make little quantity at a time so that you don't waste your product, because DIY products are expensive in the market now. So guys, when applying this treatment, please start from the scalp and work your way to the ends of your hair, because this treatment will also benefit your scalp as well as your hair strands. And once you're done spraying, please massage and work the product in so that it penetrates your hair strands. Okay, all right guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you do, please kindly give us a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more videos such as this one. And on this note, I'll be drawing my curtain. If there's anything else that I forgot to cover, please guys let me know in the comment section, because at this point my eyes are filled with sleep and I need to rest my head. Okay, so but we can continue this conversation in the comment section. Just let me know your questions and I'll be glad to answer that. And until I come your way next time, my name is Favor, compliment of the season, and please take good care of yourself. Bye.